In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix slow start up on your Windows. So let's get started. So first is we need to make a right click at the start button, and here you have the select task manager. Once you open the Task Manager window, simply maximize this. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to simply click on Startup Apps. Change the status from enabled to disabled so that we will know what are the startup programs enabled on your Windows. And what we can do is we need to disable the unnecessary startup programs. So in my case, I have just disabled all the unnecessary startup programs. So in your case, you just have to make a right click and then select disable for all the unnecessary startup programs. Now once done, close this. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and type msconfig. Click on System Configuration under the best match. Now here we have to simply click on Services. Now you have to check this box, hide all Microsoft services, and then click on Disable All, okay? Click on Disable All, click on Apply, and click on OK. So you have to make sure you are going to check this option, hide all Microsoft services, disable all, click on apply and click on OK. And then you have to restart your Windows once. For the next method, we also need to repair the Windows corrupted files. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click on run as administrator on the right pane. Now here in this window, we need to simply type this command, sfc space /scan now. SFC space / scan now, hit enter. So the system scan will begin. Now while this scan is going on, do not close the window. You can just simply minimize it, and once this is 100% completed, close it. And then for the next method, we have to click on the start button and click on the settings icon. Here in the list of options on the left pane, click on system, click on storage. And here you'll find storage sense. Make sure to enable storage sense. If this is turned off, then you have just to switch the button on to enable the storage sense. And this will automatically free up space, delete temporary files, and manage locally available cloud content. And here you'll find cleanup recommendations. Click on that. Click on see advanced options. And you just have to simply choose the items from here. But for your downloads, if there are important files in here, do not include downloads and click on remove files. Click on continue. Okay, now once done, close this. And then for the next method, go ahead in the Windows search bar, type MRT. Click on it under the best match. And this window will appear, the Microsoft Windows Malicious Software Removal Tool. Click on next to continue. Then go with quick scan. If you are in a hurry, you can go with quick scan. You can also go with full scan if you have enough time, as this will scan the entire system. You simply click on next and wait for the process to be done. So once this is done, then finally you have to make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.